Well, hi there. I hope you are well. Today I will share an interesting plugin that you can create any filter using this plugin for Oxygen archive page. Let's get started. First of all, you need to go your WordPress dashboard, go to add new plugin, then search like SS dynamic filter. Then you will find this plugin and just click on install and activate. Then you will get the filter options. Then you can simply add new filter and work. So first of all, let's discuss about our template, like where we want to implement our filter. So this is our shop template. Here we want to implement our filter. If we go to our template, then we will find lots of template. Here this is our shop template. Click on here, we will go to the shop edit page. As you can see, it's an taxonomy. That means this is the archive page. You can simply click on edit with Oxygen. So our editor loaded. So currently the filter plugin working with archive page properly. And this is our repeater. We already designed a repeater. If I click on structure, we will find the structure. As you can see, this is the repeater actually, and this is the repeater ID. See, this is the repeater ID. So now we need to add here our filter. First of all, we need to create a filter actually. So we are in our filter. Click on add new filter. So write a name. For example, we want to create a category filter. Let's say product category filter. Then you can select data source. Like it will be post type product or post anything. Click on product and filter by category, price, on anything. If you create any custom field like using SCF or SCF, you will find here actually here will show dynamically. So let's select the product category, and it will be, I think, I want as a radio. And the Oxygen repeater ID means this one. As you can see, if I go click on repeater, this is our repeater. This is the repeater ID. We can just simply copy it and then we can paste it here. Or if we don't paste here, we can paste here also when we use our filter element. Let's say in later update, I will remove the filter ID from here actually, so that you can use from here directly. It will not create any confusion. So let's publish it. Publish it and you can click on index all product. Then it will work properly. It will index all the product and it will increase the performance of speed, loading speed. So we added a filter. Let's reload the front end now. Wait few seconds to load. Okay, so it's reloaded. Let's add our filter element. If I click on add element and scroll down, you will find our filter element here. Just click on here and let's enable the structure. Then we will get the point where it's adding actually. So we already designed our filter item. We added our dynamic filter here, and we can now select our category filter that we just created few seconds ago. Just select our filter and repeater ID. As I mentioned, you can add repeater ID here instead of dashboard. So just copy this repeater ID and add here. And if we click on apply params, then you will get the all things. If I save in, let's save it and reload the front end. Okay, so as you can see, our filter radio options are showing. This is the category filter. If I click on here, as you can see, it's instantly filtering. So I hope you got the point how it's working. Let's add more filter. Let's go to the filter again. We can click on add new filter that we can use like a search filter, like search field. Okay, search filter. That's fine. Data source product, and I want its search input keyword, and it will be search input. And here, as I mentioned, we will add it from editor. Okay, let's publish it. Let's add more like brand. As we have brand options, taxonomy, we can like brand filter, data source product, and this is the brand, and it will be I want as a checkbox. And as I mentioned about it, published it. And let's add another like pricing filter. Actually, it's an WooCommerce. You can use it for post or page anything, but our plugin is working properly on archive page. So we will add like any page you can use this plugin. I will update our plugin anyway. So we can add it like pricing filter. Let's find it. Our price, product price. Yes, this one. And yeah, that's it. Let's publish it. Oh, one thing we need to choose here. It will be pricing slider, right? So you can use our slide range. Okay, we can use this. It will be our slider. It will provide input. We can use slider. It will be good. This is how actually our filter working. So we added our filter. Let's reload our editor. 1 second. Our editor loaded, as you can see. Now if I select here all our created filter showing here, let's add here like a search filter because this is our search toggle. Let's click on apply params. As you can see, our search filter is showing here. We can design it also here. As you can see, our design options here. All the design option here. Anyway, so let's duplicate our filter item and add more. Duplicate it, and it will be our like categories. Okay. We can select here our category, filter, apply. You can also design it. As you can see here, option like layout. You can add here like flex, and it will be column or row. It will work instantly. As you can see, we want like column. We don't want here actually. So we don't need gap here. We can do like this way, or we can use no wrap and go here, and also you can increase and decrease your typography according to your needed. And if I go checkbox, you can use your width like this, width height like this way. I hope you got the point. You can easily use CSS according to needed. Okay, let's go. It's category hour. Let's duplicate our filter, and we can use here like pricing. Let's say okay, well, we can it's pricing like if I apply parameters, as you can see, our pricing slider is showing. Here also have slider styling, so you can do all slider styling from here. And layout, we don't need this. We can make it like default one. I hope it will be good. Yeah. Okay. And let's add it will be a pricing filter, and can add brand filter. Duplicate it and select our brand filter. And here will be like brand. And select it our brand filter. Okay. Now we can use our flex. Like it will be column start, and we don't need any gap. Okay, fine. So we will get all the styling options here. I hope you got the point, and I hope you also got the point how we are using repeater ID. So this is our repeater ID as we're using all. That means this element target is targeted repeater actually. That is why we need to add here a repeater ID. So okay, I hope you got the point. Let's we can add it here. Let's save it and reload our front end. As we're using our caching plugin, we can click on here. So all the options showing correctly. So let's try. Let's like A4. Let's search here like A5. See, it's instantly working. A4 tech. Okay, fine. Let's try to pricing by our filter. Like, see, pricing also working perfectly. And let's go to the brand. See, it's also working. If I search this, see, no result. I hope you got the point at how it's working. Also, we can use here our active chip. Let's say this one, filter active chip. Also, you will find the options. And also here we need repeater ID. Targeted repeater is this one. We can simply copy it and paste here. And then, okay, fine. Let's reload, save it, and reload the front end. Okay, let's this one. See, our chip is working properly, and we don't need like no accessories. Like what I mean, as you can see, showing here product categories. We don't need. Just you can see this one. Then it will be fine. Okay, let's reload it. Okay, let's try now. See how it's working. We can add gap and everything here. See how it's working. I hope you got the point. If you have any questions, you can let me know, and we will update our plugin and fix a lot of things. And currently our plugin working for only the archive page properly. Later we will update that all pages repeater will work with this plugin. So thanks for watching the video.